Hello, this is Stéphane Segnaric from Arts Energy. I am in charge of business development for nickel metal hydride battery technology. And I am very happy today to present you during this webinar our new innovative product called Outdoor Nickel Metal Hydride Energy Cabinet. Before starting, I just would like to check that everybody can listen me. So if a few of you could send a message from the chatter or from the questions just to validate that you hear me correctly, please, and then I will start. Okay, thank you. That's fine. So before presenting this new product, I would like just rapidly to come back on the origin of this development, why we have developed this product. Until today, in backup applications, and I have in mind mainly telecom and also railway, in backup applications, lead acid batteries today represent close to 100% of the market. Nevertheless, with lead acid batteries and with the development of countries where the climate is not so, I would say, so clement as in Europe, so countries with hot climates, we see on many actors observe that the lead acid battery has a poor life duration. And another concern with lead acid batteries is the theft because of the voltage of the batteries, which is compatible with vehicles. Many batteries in telecom and railway are stolen to start engines. So this is the reason why Arts Energy has decided a few years ago to develop an alternative offer in nickel metal hydride for backup applications like telecom on the railway. Today, you can see on the market available some alternative batteries solutions already with lithium ion, but all those solutions integrate some electronics which make them compatible with existing rectifiers, which all of them are designed for lead acid batteries. And let me explain why Arts Energy made a different choice. Arts Energy made the choice to offer a nickel metal hydride battery with no electronics to be more attractive in terms of cost and to be more reliable because of less electronics. And so the situation we have faced is that all the systems today are equipped with lead acid batteries, so all the rectifiers are designed for managing lead acid batteries, which is not compatible with nickel metal hydride batteries. And so one important point that we had to manage, proposing a battery with no electronics, was to convince a rectifier manufacturer to integrate inside his product the algorithm to manage the nickel metal hydride battery. And this is what we have done with Alpha Innovations, which is a very well-known company in the business of rectifiers. So let's start the presentation of this new product. So this outdoor nickel metal hydride energy cabinet is a very innovative new solution, and it offers a complete energy solution with a 10 years life in extreme climates, which make it a unique product today and a unique solution. This new product is the addition of the partnership between three companies. Arts Energy, who has developed a new battery called Endurance, so it is nickel metal hydride new Endurance battery, which has been introduced on the market a few months ago. The participation of Alpha Innovations, who has developed a new rectifier compatible with nickel metal hydride. So this new rectifier is able to manage the charge of the nickel metal hydride battery. And the third partner is Grollo. Grollo, who is part of Active Invest Group, so part inside the same group as Arts Energy. And Grollo is the expert of energy cabinet. And so for this new outdoor nickel metal hydride energy cabinet, Grollo has designed a special cabinet for outdoor applications and to integrate the nickel metal hydride system. The targeted applications for this new product are, I would say, backup applications in general. There is a strong focus for us on telecom and also for railway. So both of them are backup applications. But after I will show you some other applications that we are also targeting. But I would say the main focus is telecom and railway. So for the telecom, the features of the new product is a 10 years life in extreme climates with a 48 volt single battery, so no theft, because with a 48 volt you cannot start an engine. And according to the battery management, so we are using an AC/DC rectifier, so developed by Alpha Technologies. This new product can also be used for data networks and backup data backup, also with a 10 years life. We can offer also some solutions with very high power. And for the battery management, we have now some solutions for the converter, both in AC/DC and also DC AC. For the railway, also the main features is the 10 years life in extreme climates. And for the energy conversion, we have now some different solutions like AC/DC, but also DC/DC for solar. And the fourth market that we are focusing on with this new product, with this new cabinet, is solar, with a 10 years life in extreme climates. And for that, we have also access to DC/DC converter and also MPPT. So just to conclude on targeted markets, I would say that with this new product, the outdoor nickel metal hydride energy cabinet, Arts Energy enter clearly in a new area where we can propose some solutions for different applications and with the association of the energy conversion, which is an important step for the company. So I'm going to come back on the different components of this cabinet. So I will describe in detail the battery, the rectifier, and also the cabinet. So according to the battery, the new battery that we introduced for this cabinet is the nickel metal hydride endurance range. You can see a picture with an example, which is here the Endurance L4. All the endurance range will be associated with the famous VHTF, which is the extremely robust cell from Arts Energy, which is now relatively known. This endurance nickel metal hydride battery is designed to offer a complete battery solution with a 10 years life in extreme climates. When I say extreme, it can be up to the Middle East. In terms of features and benefits of this nickel metal hydride endurance battery, the first point is the very large temperature range from -40 to +85. In such temperature range, the battery offers an excellent charge and discharge efficiency. The second feature is the capability to cycle a lot. The battery can deliver thousands of cycles, including deep cycling. This type of feature is very interesting for peak shaving applications. So what is peak shaving? Peak shaving is in relation with applications where the energy is very expensive at a certain time, and so it can be very attractive in terms of cost or money saving to store the energy when it is cheap inside the battery, and to power the application thanks to the battery when the energy is expensive. Next feature is the exceptional life duration of the battery in extreme and very demanding conditions. And so Hartz Energy Endurance nickel metal hydride battery is today the most attractive TCO battery solution on the market. Other feature is that the VHT, so our nickel metal hydride, contains no heavy metals, so our battery is Aero HS. Additionally, it is very easy and profitable to recycle because it contains some valuable metals like cobalt and nickel, so the recycling is very attractive. This battery contains aqueous electrolyte, so it is non-flammable, and so the battery management is simple and it is 100% safe. Last feature is that nickel metal hydride batteries are not submitted to regulation constraints for transportation, and so you will see, or many of you who are using already nickel metal hydride have observed that the nickel metal hydride strongly simplify your supply chain and reduce the transportation costs. According to performances in backup applications, so you can see on a real test performed at 40 degrees that our nickel metal hydride has delivered more than 10 years life, so at 40 degrees permanent. Okay, so when I say backup applications, as you understand, the battery is maintained fully charged and it is discharged regularly, but it is not a cycling application. So you can see here on backup conditions, the life duration of the battery is very long. We are making also some tests at 70 degrees permanent to accelerate the aging of the battery. And in this case, you can see that at 70 degrees, our nickel metal hydride is able to live 2 years, which is exceptional for a battery. To make a comparison with some other well-known battery technology, I would say that the best lead-acid battery is able to live 6 months at 60 degrees. So you can see here the life duration of nickel metal hydride is 8 times better compared to the best lead-acid. So 8 times better. As our nickel metal hydride is extremely robust, we are also performing some tests at 80 degrees to accelerate again the test. And so you can see that our nickel metal hydride is able to live 10 months at 80 degrees. According to cycling applications now, previously we have seen backup applications. Now we put an eye on cycling applications, like for example, solar, which is a cycling application. You are making 1 cycle per day. For cycling application, also our nickel metal hydride is extremely robust because it is able to deliver more than 10,000 cycles at 50 degrees permanent. If we compare nickel metal hydride to lead acid or lithium ion, you can see on this table the benefits of nickel metal hydride. I will not mention every part of the table, but just as a synthesis, I would say that the main benefits of nickel metal hydride is the exceptional temperature range, the lower TCO thanks to the very long life duration, the flexibility of the shape and the form factor, as we have some single cylindrical cells, the the safety as it is non-flammable, and also the transportation constraints, as there is no with nickel metal hydride. The endurance range that we are introducing to be used in this outdoor nickel metal hydride energy cabinet, you have 3 families, as you can see, with Endurance L1, which is very attractive for the slim applications where you need that the battery be very slim. Endurance L2 and Endurance L4, which is more compact, which is interesting for bigger batteries. So 3 families: Endurance L1, Endurance L2, and Endurance L4. The second important component of this new product is the outdoor cabinet, developed and made by Grollo. According to electrical characteristics, this cabinet, in terms of electric power supplies, is working in single phase, 3-phase, split phase. In terms of electrical insulation class, it is class 2. According to lightning protection, it is type 1 and 2. It is designed for rack design in 90 inches rack with 13 racks unit, U or RU, available. In terms of dimensions, so you can see on the graph. And in terms of protection, it is IP55, EKTED. What I would like to highlight is that for all the components, the battery, the cabinet on the nickel metal hydride rectifier, you have some data sheet available. So you can get more information compared to the presentation I am making today with more details on the data sheet. So do not hesitate to ask me for the data sheet. If you want the data sheet of the outdoor cabinet or the data sheet of the battery or the data sheet of the nickel metal hydride rectifier, I will send it to you. In terms of benefits of the cabinet by itself, it is aluminum and double skin enclosure, which is interesting for resistance to corrosion, and it is more reliable. It is RU flexible equipment configuration, extensible cabinet with a customized coloring of power coating. So the benefit is that it is modular solution according to different applications. For the features, you have various gasket, hinge, latching, key-locking handles. And the benefit, it is a long-lasting protection for electrical or other equipments. It is lifting eyes, wall mounting, precast pad mount fastening. And the benefit is that it is compact, it is a lightweight design, and quick and easy to install. Other feature is that it is a safety and certified components integrated with a high quality and proven outdoor cabinet solution. And also, important feature is that it is a free cooling system which reduces energy consumption and with a high energy efficiency. This last point is very important for the targeting areas we have for the full system was warm and hot countries. After the battery and the cabinet, so the third important components of this new product that I am presenting today is the nickel metal hydride rectifier developed by Alpha Innovations. In terms of electrical characteristics, the input voltage is from 110 to 220 volt for an output voltage of 48 volt DC. The power range is from 300 to 4,000 watts. The efficiency is up to 95%. You have measurements for cabinet monitorings. And according to EMC, it is in accordance with ETSI EN 300386, as you can read. In terms of features and benefits of this new nickel metal hydride rectifier, it is an high efficiency product which will reduce your electrical consumption. It is a modular solution integrated with an integrated battery low voltage discharge cutoff. So it is compact, it reduces the footprint in the cabinet. It is an integrated distribution, which is reducing the total cost of ownership. And you have remote monitoring with Compass Web Server SNMP, Modbus, Mail, XML, AP, and extendable with CAN bus. And the benefit of all of those options is an advanced monitoring capabilities and an open software interface compatible with network management solutions. So it is also very attractive in terms of communications and IoT. Just to conclude, I would like to come back on Hart's Energy expertise, to remember you that we have some experts in different fields of the whole design and production of the battery, electrochemists, mechanical experts, electronicians, and experts also in very efficient production, equipment and process. So this is the end of the presentation. Before leaving you, I just would like to highlight 2 points. The first is that, as I mentioned previously, in addition to this presentation, we have some data sheet available for the battery, the cabinet, and the nickel metal hydride rectifier. So do not hesitate to ask me those data sheets. And the second point is that if you need any technical support, do not hesitate also to ask me. I used to visit the customer with experts from Grollo for the cabinet or experts from Alpha Innovations for the rectifier. So it's not a problem to meet you with different experts of the different components of this outdoor nickel metal hydride energy cabinet. So I hope that this presentation has interested you. I am strongly aware that this new product represents a breakthrough for Hart's Energy. It is very innovative product. It is very attractive for different markets. So I am convinced that this new product will be of interest. So before we leave each other, if you have some questions now, so do not hesitate to start to ask them, and we are going to answer them immediately. So it's time for questions. So you can ask your question using the question tool from the webinar. Okay, so it seems that you have no. Okay, so the first question is in relation with the rectifier. So the question is, what type of power is available at the rectifier level? In fact, Alpha Innovations has introduced the nickel metal hydride algorithm for nickel metal hydride in 300 watt products and also in 1000 watt products. So you have, I would say, from 300 to 4000 watt, you have the solution. You can make 300, 600, 900 one, two, or three products of 300 watts. After you can do also 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 watts using one, two, or three products of 1,000 watts. The second question is according to the battery capacity. You say what capacity is available in ampere-hours for the cabinet. You have the possibility to use from, I would say, from 500 watt-hours, so meaning 10 ampere-hours, up to 60 ampere-hours. Today, after in the future, we will be able to propose bigger batteries solutions, but that will mean that we will have to make some adjustment at the rectifier level. So today it is from 10 to 60 ampere-hours, but in the future it can be more. There is a question about lead time, so it is interesting to discuss about that. So what is the lead time of the product? I would say we do not deliver this product like that in a few weeks. Before delivering the product, we want to fully validate the specification of the customer use. Okay, and also because it is linked to many parameters of design. For each case, we like to validate with the customer with a demonstrator to validate that on the environment of the customer, the way of the customer is using the cabinet, the way the cabinet has been parametered. We want to validate that before going on big quantities. So we always want to go on the first step with a demonstrator on the field test. Okay, after there is a question about the time of backup. So the time of backup is depending of two parameters, the battery size and the consumption of the application. So my answer would be it depends. After I would say that the product has been designed for a backup from 1 to 8 hours, depending on the consumption. Typically, what we have in mind is a battery of 2 kilowatt hours. Okay, so 2 kilowatt hours mean 4 hours of autonomy if the power is 500 watt, for example. It can be also 2 hours of autonomy if the power is 1000 watt. To come back on the delivery time, it is, I would say, around 12 weeks, ex-works. A very interesting question. Can the battery of 48 volt can be bought separately from the rectifier? I would say commercially, yes. Commercially, you can buy the battery at Arts Energy and the rectifier at Alpha Innovation. But technically, the answer is no, because today, the only rectifier which can manage Arts Energy nickel metal hydride battery is the Alpha rectifier. Okay, and also the Alpha rectifier can work only with Arts Energy battery, and so technically the two products cannot be dissociated. I am reading the questions. We are receiving a lot of questions. Unfortunately, we will not be able to answer to all of them, but I try to make a selection. There is a question according to the warranty of the product. Yes, for sure. When you are claiming that your product will live 10 years, you need to be attractive in terms of warranty. After it is discussed case per case, but I would say it is from 3 to 5 years warranty, depending on the customer condition of use. There is a question according to parallel assembly. The question is, are the battery put in parallel in the cabinet? Yes, the answer is yes. The Alpha Innovation rectifier is designed to be able to be associated with batteries in parallel. And so, as Arts Energy batteries are 10 or 20 ampere hours batteries, when you want to do 40 or 40, for example, you put 2 or 4 in parallel. Interesting question about the way the battery is charged. The question is, does the rectifier pulse charge the battery? The answer is yes. In fact, the way of managing the battery charge has been optimized to get the longer life duration as possible. And so part of the development with Alpha Innovations was to integrate an intermittent charge of the battery. Interesting question about the limitation of the battery size. Is there a limitation for the battery size? I would say today, yes. Today there is a limitation close to 60 ampere hours, but there is no technical limit. It is just because as a first step, we have decided to introduce a certain type of rectifier, but tomorrow, as per your request, we can also make this integration in other type of rectifier and put more batteries in parallel. So technically, there is no limitation. Okay, we must now stop because it is the time schedule. I thank you very much for your strong interest. With the large number of questions, I see that there is a strong interest on this topic. And so I remember that you have my contact on this document, and so do not hesitate to contact me for more information. Thank you very much. I wish you a good day. Bye-bye.